welcome to my channel. Today's video for Baby Friday is going to be a tour of Luna's and now Layla's room. Now that it's clean, I cleaned it. It's worse than I'm going to show you, but I haven't completely done with the room, but I wanted to show you right now because it's been a while since I haven't showed you, and it has been a little bit requested. So we're gonna go ahead and show you and go around with a tour of my girls' room, shall we? Let's go. Well, yeah. This used to be her room, like this one right here. Look, I still have that up there. But now this is the room right here. That's the door. This is the video that we did. We changed the floor. My husband did, and I painted the walls. So let's go ahead and go in there. It's gonna be a bit pink because the room is pink. But let's go this way first. So right at the entrance, we have a shell and a star with two of her hats, a jacket, her cape, her boots, her beloved boots, and this thing, when she was a baby, it was a gift. Jesus bless this baby girl. And this wore some fans. Hopefully you could see the pink. It's terrible. There were some baby shower favors that my best friend / godmother made for her for Luna's baby shower. We didn't have a baby shower for Layla because we have everything. I already mentioned this. And then we go to this corner. There's a toy. This little table my husband did. It's a little bit damaged here, but he did this one. A bank that is Luna's. Of course, there's a moon, baby things for baby Layla. We go up here. We have a make your dreams come true and love you to the moon and back. This is a decal from the dollar store. This is a little canvas thing from Michael's. Then we go upstairs. There's those flowers that my sister made for my mom's birthday. And she had like a panel thing, and she gifted them to Luna so she can have them in her room. Baby Layla wasn't born yet. Then we have our purple curtains. Then we have our section over here with a rocker. Her books. Her name right under this. I made that name for her second birthday. She also has like Disney movies, her treasure chest, and all the upper section is books. There's a picture of baby Luna when she was with her cousin. A toy with her stroller, the little couch, and then all the plush dolls and all that stuff in this little bin. We go up here. Her pictures when she was 6 months, when she was 1 year old and 6 months. There's this thing, this little Virgencita. I got it when I went to Mexico last time. So that's a very long time ago. My mom did this rosary for her for when we baptized Luna, because she's her grandmother, not her, her godmother. Then we go over here to the bigger, and over here is a bigger picture with her crib, the mermaid that I did of the decal. And then I put these other mermaid decals from the dollar store. And then up here we have a picture of the girls together in her crib. They don't sleep here, so it's full of plushes. Then we go to this other corner, and there is the scary part. Here's her kitchen with all her kitchen things. There's some mermaids. This is a little mermaid thing. You attach it to a hose, and then it'll go around and it'll splash water. Pretty cool. We use this for her birthday, the day after her birthday, her second birthday. Look, I have other pictures I haven't put up. Baby Luna, and they're white. I just haven't figured out where, because this section right here I'm saving for Layla. I want to put similar pictures like that when she's 1 year old and 6 months. So I'm saving that. And then over here I have the Little Mermaid organizer that I used to be baby Luna's clothes when I used to live with my sister. My sister gifted. Now is shoes here on the bottom and toys all in this section. And then there's Luna likes buckets and baskets, so those are empty. Later there will be full. And baby toys. Then we go up here. Then I have that. This I have from the 99-cent store. It says, I'd rather be a mermaid. And then these mirrors with that crown. They are plastic, but the mirrors are pretty good. I also got them from the 99-cent store. Then we have a picture here with Mama. Hopefully the color is correct, because since it's so pink, everything's pink. But that's us. Let me see if I can focus here. That's us. And then I have princess decals here from the dollar store. Belle, Ariel, Rapunzel, and Cinderella with the appropriate things. And then this sign I have made for Luna's birthday. I haven't thrown it out, even though it's like kind of ribbon. It says mermaids this way, and it has a shell. Look at that. It has some shells there. So yeah, and then I have this carpet I bought from Big Lots, I believe. I can't remember the price. It's grayish. Then over here, of course, we have the closet with their clothes and stuff. And I did a video with the bin organization. Yeah, that is Luna's and Layla's room. Later we'll add on some more pictures and stuff. But that's how it is. Oh, this decal my mom brought for her. And that is the room. Hopefully you like this video. I will do a tour of something else later on. I'm thinking about my garden. But yeah, this is Layla's and Luna's room. Comment down below what was your favorite part of the room. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Hit the bell to notify you when I have a new video. And I'll see you next time.